the show, we got Gus, my Aquarian star. And that was an interesting bird. Wow. Like, it was just there, you know? We were at the point where we got to ramp up the situational awareness because the reeds are getting really big. And there's a couple people on the trail that don't watch their dog as well as I watch Gus. But wow, that was an interesting bird. And here we are as we cross the threshold of autumn. There's a lot of loud extraneous noises, so I apologize about the audio. It might not be up to snuff. We got some gorgeous trees and the gratitude that it's not raining today, although they forecasted it yesterday. And I thought to myself, well, just wing it. Wait and see. I prayed that there wasn't any rain. And of course, that might sound like a frivolous thing, but I send prayers out to people that are going through difficult times, financial challenges, health issues, you know. I definitely am cognizant of that. And I pray multiple times a day. You can see my shadow silhouette. But mostly the star of the show, Gus. That was like a really interesting bird. It was like a mashup between like a robin and something else. Almost like a quail. And we're also seeing a lot of dragonflies. And then some of the robins. It's like their last hurrah before they go south for the winter. And some of them stay. Gus is taking us on a detour. And I'll show you this nice hill. Ooh, look at the clouds. Gus. So we're sending out everyone all of our love and wishing everyone a wonderful day.